this is probably going to be the last crypto arbitrage video you are ever going to watch here on YouTube. Yes, I said that, and that is because I've been seeing so many videos on YouTube, different people trying out different arbitrage. Most of those guys actually are fake, and I'm saying this not because I want to badmouth any YouTube channels, because I got pissed off trying them by myself. None of them actually work for me, and I actually got angry when I saw this comment. Someone saying these guys are just doing it for the views. They aren't actually doing it for the viewers. They just show how to do it, but they don't actually perform the arbitrage. Where I'm going to do the opposite here. So this time I'm going to be doing it for you guys, the viewers, and not the views. So guys, you have to subscribe, like this video, stay to the end if you really want to get the most out of this and actually go and do your arbitrage and make profit without coming back to YouTube to watch any other video. So first of all, I want to begin by stating what arbitrage is. For those who don't know it, if you already know it, you can just like forward. Arbitrage is basically crypto arbitrage basically is going to one exchange and buying crypto for a less price and going to another exchange and selling the crypto for a higher price, like buying from US exchange and going to Japan exchange to sell it and taking out your profit. So basically that's what we're going to be doing, but we're not doing US Japan. We're going to make it very easy for you guys. So stay to the end, like, subscribe if you don't want to miss the app that for this, which is KuCoin. So go ahead and create an account. And another thing, guys, this is very useful. You don't actually need any KYC verification. You don't need your ID card. You don't need a driver's license to actually make money off this arbitrage, because that is so amazing, guys. I'm going to show you a proof here. This is an unverified account here. As you can see, my account is unverified. That means I don't have any ID linked to it or anything like that. So another thing, that means you can actually make money off this like that. And I'm going to be try to be very detailed in this explanation and everything, and it's going to be very easy for you guys. So I think it will be the last video you're ever going to watch concerning arbitrage on YouTube. So let's go ahead and start now. As you see here, I have 500 naira here. And where is that 500 naira coming from? This is my trading account. I'm going to be showing you guys everything you need to know. So this is my trading account here, and you see I have 0 naira in USDT. You can actually change your currency from the settings if your currency is in dollar, because I think most of you guys currency will be in dollar. So here it is. You go to settings, then you change your currency to whatever, or your any country you are in. So once you change the country currency, then you go over to your asset. But this is my assets here. I have 000, and but I have some lunacy, and I had this a long time ago. So I decided I'm going to convert it to USDT. So if you have USDT or you have any other coin, you can convert it to USDT. So this is how I'm going to go and convert it to USDT. But okay, guys, this is basically for those of you that don't have any USDT in your KuCoin account. Basically, if you have USDT in your KuCoin account right now, that's amazing, because you'll actually make a whole lot from this. But if you don't have, most of you will go to this P2P, but I don't advise you going there, because it's going to be a very high price to buy USDT, so you wouldn't be making a lot of profit from this arbitrage. So, or you might even be making a loss. So basically, I will advise you, this is a secret and not much people know about it. I'll advise you to go to this here, buy with card. So when you go to buy with card, you won't believe that here, over here, USDT is going for about 400 and something naira. As you can see, 452 naira. I put 10 USDT here and it's giving me 452 naira. So I'm going to do the math now. I know most of you, if you didn't skip math class, you can just pass this part because you already know it. How much is that? So it's 4,528. 4,528 divided by 10. So as you can see, USDC is going for 452 naira. If you buy with your card, can you imagine that? And on the P2P is going for about 800. That's crazy, guys. So I'll advise you to buy with card, but the only downside that comes with buying with card is that you have to verify your account. So that's not much of a problem. So if you have done that, you can continue or just watch the video to the end. Well, if you have any other complaints, you can just drop in the comment section. I'll be very happy to answer them. I don't want to be the bad guy here. Before I do that, guys, I want to let you guys know that we have 457 naira at the beginning of this. So at the end of doing all this, we should have more than 457 naira. That's the aim of this. So that's my starting balance. Let's see how much we can make out of this. So first of all, let me go ahead and convert it to USDT. So if you don't have any money in your trading account, first you can transfer it to your trading account. If you have USDT, no need to do this. So I don't have USDT yet, so I have to buy some USDT. So I'm going to use all my lunacy to buy, sorry, I'm going to sell all my lunacy, everything, and use it to buy USDT. So this is my trading password. You guys can see it because you can't really use it. Successful. I have successfully bought USDT, as you can see. Let me reload it. So I have successfully bought USDT here. You see I have 1.04 USDT. That's 458 naira. So at the end of this, we should have more than 458 naira. So this is how it's going to work now. I'm going to tap my USDT here. Then I'm going to go over to view more. Then in view more, I'm going to go to USD TRX or TRX USDT. Sorry. So TRX USDT. So that's what we're going to be doing. I want to show you guys something very important right now. Okay. So now I want to go ahead and tap buy or sell anyone just so we can show us the display. So we see here TRX is going for 27 naira. So if you want to buy TRX here on KuCoin, it's 27 naira. So this is how we're going to, the magic is going to happen now. So let me go ahead to another exchange app, and this is Roqqu too. Another thing about Roqqu, you don't actually need any KYC too, so you can actually make money without being verified by the government or whatever, all their rubbish. Oops. So I'm into Roqqu now. I have 373, but let's imagine we have nothing. We have nothing here, so we don't want to make extra money. So this is Trons here. Trons is going to, let's see, we're selling Trons here now. We're selling one TRX. So one Trons is selling for 48 naira, while here is selling for 27. Can you imagine? It's I calculated it. I'm going to show you guys the math for those who want to see the math, and it's about 35, about 45, 41% profit. So let's go and do this now. So I'm going to sell all my I'm going to buy TRX with all my USDT. So I'll buy it for 27 naira here, and go and sell it in Roqqu for 48 naira. So I'm going to transfer all my TRX to my main account now, so I'll be able to transfer it to Roqqu and sell it off in Roqqu for a profit. So all my TRX is worth 458 naira, remember. So, and each of them costs 27 naira, so that's 16 TRX. 16 TRX, let's just use the calculator, sharp. 16 TRX times 27, that's about 400 naira. So I just approximated it. So let's go ahead, and 48 that we're going to sell it on Roqqu for, that's the same 16, and we're going to get about 768 naira just for this. And if we want to see how much we got out of this, that's 458, and we got about 300. So let's see if it really works. So I'm going to transfer it now. So I think I've transferred it to my main account here, my main wallet. So now I'm going to send them all to my Roqqu. So I'm going to withdraw. So I'm withdrawing. I'm going to paste my Roqqu address now. Let me go and get it. So I'm over here in Roqqu. I'm going to go to Recieve here. I'm copying it. You see minimum receivable 1. So I'm going to copy it over here. So I'm going to paste it here. And we see that the gas fee is just about 41 naira. So you see we that's not going to affect us in any way. So that's 1.5 TRX for the gas fee here. So we're still going to make a profit out of that. So we're getting that for, okay, I need to verify. So guys, I went ahead and got all the verification, and now I am verified. The money has been transferred. So just a quick recap: we had 458 naira in our account, and we used that 458 naira to get 16 trons. So we used 458 naira to get 16 TRX. So, and now because of the gas fee, we had only 14 TRX and we used 28 naira to get it. So 14 times 28, that is 392 naira. So basically, we're going to sell that 14 TRX now in Roqqu for 48 naira. So that will be giving us 600 and something because of the gas fee and everything. So we're still making a good profit. So let's go ahead and open Roku. Okay, so this is our original balance in Naira. So it's going to take just a couple minutes. Let's just keep reloading, and hopefully our TRX comes in here. Our 14 point something TRX coming here, and we can sell it off for how much? We can sell it off for 48 naira, which we initially bought it for about 28 naira. Okay guys, we just received our TRX. As you can see, it's in our wallet now. So what we're going to do now, you can see here it's already showing 700 and something, and remember we bought it for about 400 and something. So let's go ahead and sell all of them. 14.96310. So let's go and sell. So as you can see, this is how much we're getting: 728. And remember, we just this is just so okay. I have to know my location. Okay, so this is just so amazing, guys. Okay, it was loading too slow, so I paused it and continue. So this is, we have successfully sold it, and you see our balance now: 1,300, 1,097, and we already had about 300 naira before. So as you can see, guys, we made a whole lot of profit. Because remember, I'm going to show you guys how you can withdraw this money. See, in Roku now, you can withdraw to your bank, but there's a minimum of 500. But if you don't want any minimum at all, you can use this one and withdraw to Raven. If you don't have a Raven account, you can create it to this is Raven here. You can create it, no KYC needed. They're already sending me message of KuCoin, the withdrawal successful, and you see going into Roqqu. So basically, you guys can repeat this over and over again. And basically, I'm going to make another video in case you don't have any USDT. I'm going to show you how you can get USDT for free. Yeah, not kind of free, but it's somehow free because you don't need to put any money on ground to actually start making money. So I'm going to show you that method in the next video. So you guys have to subscribe to this channel. So I don't think you will have to watch any Abri. Let me check the meaning, the correct pronunciation on Google.
Arbitrage. Arbitrage.
Okay, it's arbitrage, guys. Okay guys, I'm going to show you guys now how to withdraw this into your local bank account, and also how to use it to buy airtime and pay bills, all those things. So you won't just be seeing it here. This one can actually enter your bank. But this video is getting too long, and I'm sure most of you wouldn't have clicked this video if you saw it was about 20 minutes long. So this video showing on the screen now, I want you guys to click it and continue from there, because I made them together but I just had to break it. So you can continue. In that video, I'm going to show you how to use this arbitrage profits to buy airtime, to withdraw it to your local bank too without any charges. And I'm also going to be using it to buy airtime and giving a giveaway. I'm going to be giving out some airtime too with the profit. So in that video, if you watch it, you will see how to claim the giveaway from this profit right here. So just click the video on the screen now and go and watch it. Or if you don't see it, maybe you can look in the description. I'll add it. So I'm going to be uploading these two videos together.